Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Maya's extract tool. If you would like to follow along, the Maya files are available through the VFX Fuel membership on my Gumroad. Joining the membership not only gives you access to some cool perks, but it also helps the channel out too. The extract tool is like the separate tool, but the difference lies in the fact that the separate tool can only work on objects which are not touching, so not merged. The extract tool oppositely can be used on merged components. For example, we have this object. It is modeled as one complete mesh, but say we wanted to have two separate halves made from this mesh. What we can do is make a face selection of the part of the mesh we want to extract. And now we've done that, we can go up to Edit Mesh, Extract. We get given a manipulator, which we can use to adjust our extracted mesh. Usually I don't use this, and instead I come out of the tool, and you can see that we now have two separate objects to work on. Something you might need to do is just center the pivot. This tool can be useful for so many things such as panels, as we can model the main forms of the object first, and then just extract each of the panels to further add details to the asset. Again, the Maya files are available through the VFX Fuel membership on Gumroad if you would like to follow along. Joining the membership not only gives you access to some cool perks, but it also helps the channel out too. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.